got this cowboy heart that's always saddled up and ready to run, but you went and lit that spark. Girl, you ain't like anyone I ever saw coming. Never could have dreamed you'd be shotgun running with a boy like me. We roll deep and slow like the Mississippi. Your kiss as strong as a fifth of whiskey. The way you got me, girl, forever's coming too soon. I never thought it'd go so far, so good with you. So far, so good. So far, so good. Anything you want, girl, you know I'll up and run it down, 'cause I'm hanging my hat on keeping your love around, baby. What we're building is solid like gold, and you're worth too much to ever let go. We roll deep and slow like the Mississippi. Your kiss as strong as a fifth of whiskey. The way you got me, girl, forever's coming too soon. I never thought it'd go so far, so good with you. So far, so good. So far, so good, yeah. I got this cowboy heart, but you went and lit that spark. We roll deep and slow like the Mississippi. Your kiss as strong as a fifth of whiskey. The way you got me, girl, forever's coming too soon. I never thought it'd go so far, so good with you. So far, so good. 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 So far, so far, so good.
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so we know. Comment down below what you thought. And if you wanted to learn this choreography step by step, we do have it broken down up on our website. I'm gonna link it down below for you. Go ahead, check it out, and this could be your first dance too. Thanks for watching. Bye.